Welcome back to our channel where we provide you the tools you need to manage your money and lay the groundwork for a wealthy future. We will go through 5 essential stages to financial independence in today's video. This video is for everyone who wants to live a more rich and meaningful life, regardless of whether they are battling with debt, want to save more money, or both. So, let's start right now. First step, set a budget. A budget is essential for successful money management. Start by methodically keeping track of your earnings and outgoings. Determine your necessary spending, such as your rent, utilities, and food. Then, set aside a percentage of your salary for debt reduction and savings. Make sure to allow for discretionary expenditure, but watch out for wasteful spending. Your ability to make wise financial decisions will increase if you have a well-planned budget that enables you to understand where your money is going. Step 2 is to pay off your debt. Financial independence can be severely hampered by debt. List all of your bills, including credit card balances, outstanding loans, and school loans to start. Sort your debts according to size or interest rate, then pay them off one at a time. To hasten your progress, think about techniques like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Keep in mind that achieving debt freedom involves effort and discipline, but the benefits are worthwhile. Step 3 is to live on less than you earn. Avoiding living beyond your means is crucial. Match your lifestyle to your level of income. Analyze your spending and find places where you might make savings. Find innovative methods to save expenditures, such as by making your own meals at home, canceling unwanted subscriptions, or looking for less expensive options. You'll have greater control over your financial status and create a more secure future if you live within your means. Step 4 is to budget your money. Saving money for the future and setting up an emergency fund are essential measures to achieving financial stability. Establishing a clear savings objective to get started and make it a priority to make regular contributions. By establishing automatic transfers to a different account, you may automate your savings. To increase your earnings, take into account opening a high-yield savings account. Saving money creates chances for investments and wealth growth, in addition to acting as a safety net for unforeseen costs. The 5th step is to show generosity. Giving back is a crucial component of financial health. Develop a generous mentality and search for opportunities to assist others. Acts of kindness may have a big influence on your community and your sense of fulfillment. Whether you donate to charities, volunteer your time, or support neighborhood businesses, always keep in mind that giving brings you enormous delight and encourages a sense of plenty in your own life. You might wonder, what is financial freedom? When you have total control over your finances, you are said to be in a condition of financial independence. It entails not being burdened by debt or experiencing financial stress and having enough money and resources to meet your necessities, wants, and goals. Financial independence enables you to make decisions based on your beliefs and passions as opposed to being constrained by financial limitations. Getting clear about your financial goals is the first step on the path to financial independence. Think about what it is that you really want to accomplish in life. Do you aspire to early retirement, company ownership, or global travel? Describe the kind of life you wish to lead and put your aspirations in writing. Your financial decisions and motivation will be guided by a clear vision, which will act as a compass. The second step is to evaluate your present financial status. Look closely at your earnings, outgoings, possessions, and obligations. Know where your money is going and where it is coming from. You may maximize your financial resources by identifying any areas that need improvement with the aid of this review. To build a strong foundation, keep in mind that information is power and that understanding your financial situation is essential. The third step is developing and adhering to a detailed budget. A budget is about empowerment, not constraint. You may prioritize your goals and make sure that your financial decision reflects your beliefs by carefully managing your income. To begin, Divide your spending into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. Reduce wasteful spending and use that money toward your financial objectives. Keep in mind that every dollar saved brings you one step closer to financial freedom. The goal of step 4 is to manage debt effectively. On the way to financial freedom, debt may be a major impediment. Organize your bills first, give high interest loans top priority, and create a payback strategy. Explore strategies like debt consolidation or balance transfers to reduce interest costs. As you pay off your debts, celebrate each milestone and let the momentum carry you forward. Being debt-free is liberating and opens up a world of possibilities. The fifth step entails developing different revenue streams. In today's volatile market, it might be dangerous to rely entirely on one source of income. Investigating ways to increase the variety of your income through side jobs, investments, or passive income sources. Utilize your abilities, hobbies, and interests to make more money. Keep in mind that every dollar you make puts you one step closer to financial freedom. Building a sizable emergency fund is step 6. Being prepared for the unexpected is crucial since life is full of unpleasant shocks. Try to put 3 to 6 months worth of spending aside in a convenient account. You will feel more at ease knowing that you are protected against monetary setbacks by this money. It's an important step towards financial freedom. Step 7 focuses on making sensible investments. Make your money work for you now that you have paid off your obligations and build up an emergency reserve. Investigate your investing alternatives such as stocks, bonds, property, and retirement funds. If necessary, seek advice from a financial professional and create an investment plan that is in line with your risk appetite and long-term objectives. Keep in mind that investment is a crucial component of wealth growth and may greatly quicken your path to financial independence. Step 8 promotes lifelong learning and financial literacy. Keeping up with the changes in the financial world is essential. Attend seminars or webinars, read books, and follow reliable financial blogs. Educate yourself so that you may make wise financial decisions for yourself. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex financial landscape. Finally, step 9 encourages us to walk the path of thankfulness and charity. Adopt an attitude of plenty and learn to be grateful for what you already have. Realize that riches is more than just material stuff. By performing deeds of compassion or charity, you may spread your blessings to others. Giving back not only improves the lives of others, but also fills you with satisfaction and joy. Congratulations! The 9 necessary actions to achieve financial independence have now been revealed to you. Keep in mind that this is a trip that calls for self-control, endurance, and patience. However, if you work hard and are committed, you may build a prosperous life where you have the freedom to live the life of your dreams. We appreciate you watching and hope you will give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you found it to be useful. Keep working toward your financial objectives until we speak again. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please consult with a professional financial advisor before making any significant financial decisions.